Welcome to the City of London, a square mile where nearly 2,000 years of history lie buried beneath the modern skyline. Our journey begins here at Tower Hill, standing before the remains of the London Wall, a boundary that defined the city for over 15 centuries. Built around 200 AD, these stones tell a story of Roman engineering, from the original ragstone to the medieval additions above. Nearby, the statue of Emperor Trajan reminds us of the height of the Roman Empire, the era when Londinium truly flourished. Even William the Conqueror utilized these ancient defenses when he began building the Tower of London in 1078. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Walking west, we reach Guildhall Yard. For centuries, a massive secret lay hidden right beneath these very stones. It wasn't until 1988 that archaeologists rediscovered London's Roman Amphitheatre, a site lost to time for over 1,000 years. Today, you can descend into the basement to see the original stone-lined entrance tunnels where gladiators once prepared for combat. This arena could hold 7,000 spectators, nearly a quarter of Londinium's population at the time. Continuing south toward the river, we find one of London's most enigmatic artifacts, tucked away at 111 Cannon Street. This is the London Stone. Recorded in the year 1100, its true origin remains a mystery. Some say it was the center of Roman Britain. Legend calls it the Stone of Brutus and warns that as long as the stone is safe, so long shall London flourish. Remarkably, it has survived the Great Fire, the Blitz, and the relentless reconstruction of the modern city. Our final stop for part 1 is the ruined sanctuary of St. Dunstan in the east, a poignant symbol of London's resilience. Originally built in 1100, the church was devastated by the Great Fire of 1666, only to be reimagined by Sir Christopher Wren. Wren added this striking Gothic steeple between 1695 and 1701, an architectural masterpiece that stood for centuries. But in 1941, during the London Blitz, a direct hit destroyed everything except Wren's tower and these two outer walls. Instead of rebuilding, the city transformed the ruins into a public garden in 1967, a green oasis amidst the concrete. Standing here, the juxtaposition of ancient ruins against modern glass towers perfectly illustrates London's layers of time. It is a testament to the city's ability to endure, evolve, and find beauty in the scars of its past. From the foundation of Londinium to the gardens of today, we've only just begun to uncover the secrets of the square mile. In part 2, we'll move beyond the Roman walls to explore the power and intrigue of medieval London. We'll uncover the dark stories of the tower and the bustling life of the medieval markets that shaped the empire. London is a city that never stops moving, but its foundation remains rooted in these ancient stories. To understand where we are going, we must first appreciate the layers of history that brought us here. Thank you for joining us on this first segment of our historical walking tour through the heart of England. Stay tuned for more as we continue our journey through the centuries in part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.